The VIPSUN Robot Vacuum V4500PA is equipped with an all-in-one cleaning system that effectively vacuums and mops, making it ideal for tackling daily dust and stains. With an impressive suction power of 4,500 Pascals, this robotic vacuum easily handles various dirt and debris, including pet hair, without tangling. Its smart app and voice control features allow users to customize cleaning schedules and preferences, making it a convenient addition to any household. The advanced three-dimensional obstacle avoidance technology ensures efficient cleaning by navigating around furniture and hidden spaces with ease. A larger dustbin and water tank, combined with a powerful battery, enable the vacuum to cover a maximum area of 3,229 square feet on a single charge. The VIPSUN Robot Vacuum V4500PA is designed to provide long-lasting and thorough cleaning, making it a reliable choice for maintaining spotless floors day and night.